Hello everyone, let's talk. So I've been getting a lot of questions regarding what tools do I need to start. Basically, I'm going to show you the basic tools that you need. The first thing that you're going to do, get yourself a hammer. So this is a normal standard hammer. Get yourself with this, and it comes by the nails as well. And then the second thing that you need is a tape measure. Get yourself a nice tape measure. This one is 3 meters long. You can even get them 5 meters or even 10 meters long as well. The next thing is get yourself glue. You can make as many projects as you want. Then the next thing that you need safety. So you need safety glasses. Get yourself some safety glasses. The next thing you need is a speed square. So this makes life so easier for you, and you will not make any mistakes in terms of corners and making sure everything is straight and secure. And the next thing that you need is sanding paper. So this is a roll of sanding paper. If you can afford a sander or a sanding block, go ahead and buy that as well. The next thing that you're gonna need is wood filler. So wood filler, it's perfect for closing up those holes and also those imperfections and makes everything perfect. They come in different colors as well. The next thing that you can do, if budget allows, get yourself some clamps. They come in different sizes. This is like small. Go ahead and get yourself clamps. This is your extra set of hands. The next thing that you're gonna need, get many different kinds of screws. So this is a box of screws. It will last you a long way. Get many different sizes of screws as well. The next thing that you're gonna need, you need gloves. So this is protective wear for your hands to make sure your hands are nice and clean. The other thing that you need a drill. Either buy a cordless drill or a battery operated drill, depending on your budget, of course. So it's easy, start. The next thing that you're gonna need is paint brushes. They come in different sizes and also textures as well. Do get them as well. The next thing that you're gonna need is your paint. So get many different kinds of paint and also stains as well, depending on the colors that you desire. And that's it. You don't need a lot of tools. When it comes to wood cutting equipment, if you don't have the budget now or you're not confident to use wood cutting equipment, most hardware stores will cut your wood for you. So don't worry about that part. So with those tools, you can make amazing projects, and please start. Cheers, bye.